Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, this video is an update on the road construction starting from Mgbarakuma, but I'm not going to be heading to Nsirimo. So from Mgbarakuma I'm going to head to Obodinibe, which is in Umuokpara. So I'm going to get to the Umuokpara ring road. The construction going on along the Umuokpara ring road is really advancing, so stay tuned and watch to see for yourself how far they have come with the construction of the ring road in Umuokpara. The ring road cuts across Umuahia, Obodinibe, and some other parts of Umuokpara, and then in continuation can take you down to this road that I'm applying on right now, which is Mgbarakuma. So very soon I'll get to Obodinibe, but this is still Obakala. If it's the first time you're tuning into my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're a returning viewer, I really appreciate you all for always making a chance to watch my videos. Click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed and the notification bell above. So the other road I think leads to Nsirimo, where the white jeep parked. That particular road leads you to Nsirimo. Then this road I'm driving on is going to lead you straight to Obodinibe. So we're going to get to Umuahia. We're going to get to Umuahia before we get to Obodinibe. So stay tuned. Like I said, tell me what you think in the comment section. There is massive development going on in the Obakala stroke Umuokpara area. Road construction, a lot of road construction is going on in this area. Well, we are hoping also that government will remember Olokoro, the road in Omachata, Olokoro, which is, a major road, but that has been bad and abandoned for many years. We hope government attention would, get to Olokoro so they can fix the road for us. So this is Obakala. All these areas are seen, Eba Anile Wucha, Obakala. I think this is still part of Mgbarakuma. But if I'm wrong, you can tell me in the comment section. Now I think we are in Obodinibe. This is Obodinibe in Umuokpara, and this is part of the Umuokpara ring road. So stay tuned, watch this video down to the end, and you're going to see for yourself how far they have come with the construction. I think they stepped up in terms of being fast this period, because as you can see, it may be just for the asphalting. With what I'm seeing here, it looks like they are almost done, or they are done with the stone base. Corner Fozika, Awoya, Kota, and as you can see, young kids going to fetch water. There's a stream down there, and we're going to cross or pass through the bridge. So this is the stream. My camera didn't capture it, but we are on top of the bridge, and we are heading down to the other part or other sections of the road so that you can see for yourself. I like the idea of I don't even know what it's called. This one is not a median. This beside the two roads, it makes the road look nice. I wish they can do it and get down, So as you can see, this is how far they have come with the construction of the road, the Umuokpara ring road. This road was flagged off, I think, the same time the Onimo to Abiatowa road was flagged off. I think it's the same day, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's the same day. So for some reasons, this road, is blocked, or was blocked. Sorry, the road was blocked the day I made this video, so we had to take the other route. But this is still the Umuokpara ring road. We just had to take a little diversion and then get back onto the road. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly click the subscribe button, and if you have subscribed, thank you.